You're absolutely right, sir. You're absolutely. Oh, there he's blocking the view. How many machines do you do this to?
I don't have any cash.
Y'all a soup player. We're gonna bless the shit out y'all. We're gonna bless the shit out y'all. With packs for the kids. No. These actual packs for the kids, didn't you? Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
We're gonna buy one earlier, we're almost sold out. We're all excited about it now.
Oh, that's what he's doing. He's glitching the machine, huh?
No, my business is not going through.
It's not cool what you're doing. You're over here offering people second-rate products. Like, let them buy it. Damn, I wish I was taller. You guys see what happened in Chicago with all those glitchers? Their faces on the machines? That's gonna be you, bro. Poker Shoes is on it. You're gonna be famous. You're gonna be famous. How much do you make off of this? Like, do you rip up?